Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Earnings Empowered by AI. Friends, among the most fascinating subjects in the world is history. Everybody is curious about history, and some YouTubers turn this interest into a profitable venture. They produced quick films about historical events. Take a look at this channel, which grew to over 757 subscribers in just 8 months since it launched. Millions of people watched the majority of their videos. You can see why this niche is so popular. I will be using AI tools to create a video similar to this one in today's video. So let's get started right away. To begin with, we must write a script for our video. I will use ChatGPT to generate the script. It will be fantastic if you have a tale or subject in mind. If, however, you are clueless, then proceed as directed. Just say, "Hey ChatGPT, I want to make a YouTube channel on historical facts, but I don't know what to do. Would you kindly suggest some ideas to me?" See, ChatGPT provides us with some excellent ideas. Let's choose historical myths and legends. Ask ChatGPT once more now. "Thank you. Now kindly provide me with 10 historical myths and legends topics." This is it. ChatGPT offers 10 historical myths and legends topics. All you have to do is choose one. I will choose the Lost City of Atlantis, for instance. Ask ChatGPT now. "Thank you once more. Now in just 100 words, could you please write a video script about the Lost City of Atlantis?" Because we are creating a short video, I used 100 words. You can enlarge the text if you wish to create a longer video. Okay, ChatGPT has produced a script for our use. Let's duplicate the script and insert it into a MS Word or Word document. As you can see, ChatGPT creates a video script that includes visual recommendations. That's fantastic. This scene will now be used to create images. Since Midjourney produced high quality images, I believe it to be the best option for image generation. However, not everyone is a subscriber to Midjourney. Because of this, I will utilize Leonardo AI for the creation of images. Visit Leonardo AI. Make an account on Leonardo AI using your email address or Google account if you don't already have one. Choose Leonardo Diffusion XL as your featured model when you arrive at the Leonardo AI dashboard. This model can produce high quality images with brief instructions. We now need to input our prompt. The prompt will come from the description of the scene. Let's return to the document and duplicate the description of the opening scene. Pasting it into Leonardo's prompt box, click the generate button after that, and the outcome is shown here. 4 images are produced for us by Leonardo AI. Let's get every picture downloaded. Next, return to the document file and duplicate the details of the second scene. Press the generate button after pasting the text into the prompt box. Create images for each scene in this manner. Our photos are all prepared. We will now use these images to create videos. Runway ML or Pika Labs can be used for this. However, I will use Moonvalley AI, a free image to video generator this time. I have made a full tutorial on Moonvalley AI. You can check at my channel or I will give you its link in the description box below. Moonvalley AI is this. Click try the beta here to begin the process of making a video. You must have a Discord account in order to use this AI booth, as it is limited to using Discord. Once you reach this page, click accept invite and you will be taken to the Moonvalley AI servers. The guideline and instructions for getting started are available here. We must first sign up for a new Moon channel. I am going to join this channel for instance. Once you have joined a channel, go to the text field and enter /. Here are some command templates that you can now view. From here, choose the SLC create option. Enter the text prompt after choosing the create option. I will take my cue from the specifics of the scene. Choose the video style after that. Let's go with realistic. Choose the video length now. I will go with the extended version. You can then include a reference image after that. One of the pictures from the opening scene will be used. Set a camera motion once the picture has been uploaded. Once everything is configured, press the enter key to see the outcome. To download the video to your device, click the download icon from this page. Make movies with all of the scene and images in this manner. Alright, now that the video has been produced, the voiceover needs to be created. You can record your own voice, but I will create the audio using Fliki, an AI tool. Once at Fliki AI, select sign up from this menu. Create an account now using your email address or Google account. From here, select the new file button after logging in. We must now enter some information. Choose audio only as the file type in the first place. Next, choose the accents and language. I will stick to US and English. Give your file a name after that. Next, choose the blank file from this location and press the submit button. This page is for creating audio. We need to choose a voice over first. From this link, select the voice actor Sarah. There are now a ton of voice actors available. After giving a few a listen, choose one. Yes, remember to click on the voiceovers, apply this voice to all button. Once the voice actor has been chosen, visit Google Bard and take a screenshot of the opening narration. Copy and paste the text into Fliki's voiceover text box. Next, select the plus sign to add a new text box from this menu. Return to Google Bard. Select the subsequent narration text, copy it and insert it into the second text field. In this manner, copy and paste all of the narration text into new text boxes. Okay, once the procedure is finished, return to the common scene and select the file by clicking on it. This is where we will choose the soundtrack for our video. Pick suitable background music. We are done now. Select the download option from here. Alright, the voice covers and the videos are now available. It's time to use video editing software to put it all together now. Any video editing program will work. I am going to use CapCut this time. It is simple to use and free. There is also an online version. It is also compatible with mobile devices. Import all of the voiceovers and videos into the media bin after you arrive at the editor. Place the voiceover in the audio timeline at this point. Next, and the videos to the timeline. The aspect ratio needs to be set right now. To set the aspect ratio to 9:16, click this link. We now need to match the audio and video lengths. The script suggested scenes are visible. Click on the video footage to accomplish this. Next, navigate to the tool panel on the right and choose speed from there. Now slow down if you need to extend the distance. Moreover, quicken the place to shorten the distance. Allow enough time for the audio and video to synchronize. To make it more appealing, you can add some transition effects in between the scenes. Alright, now navigate to the effects panel from this location and apply some effects to enhance the visual appeal of the video. Your video clips can also have some animation added to them. Give editing enough time to create a more interesting video. We will then produce the subtitles for our video. Go to the text tool from this page to accomplish this. From this menu, we must choose the auto caption tool. After choosing your preferred video language, click the create button. You can see the subtitles that it creates for our video. It doesn't appear good though. Choose the subtitle to resolve this problem. You have reached the right tool panel now. The typeface needs to be changed. Here, choose a bold font. Next, make the size larger. Modify the text hue. I will go with yellow color. Next, apply a stroke effect. Alright, let's add some animation to our text. Navigate to the animation tab, then choose caption from this menu. You will notice a pop-up animation here. Since the subtitle will then show up once at a time, I will advise using this one. When everything is ready, export the video. The video will take a while to export. We will just ignore it. Now the video is ready. Let's take pleasure in it.
Welcome, explorers, to the enigmatic realm of the Lost City of Atlantis. For centuries, this mythical civilization has beckoned, a utopia lost in the sands of time. Dive into the depths of history as we unravel the clues and theories surrounding Atlantis. Was it a reality or a figment of imagination? The debate continues. Join us on a journey through underwater realms, where explorers strive to reveal Atlantis' secrets. As we venture into the unknown, the quest for the lost city of Atlantis persists. Will its mysteries ever surface, or are they destined to remain submerged in myth?
I believe this is a well-made brief historical video. You can create an infinite number of historical videos for your channel in this manner. Okay friends, let me now conclude our video. Prior to that, I would be interested in learning about your experiences using AI to create historical shorts. Post your ideas and outcomes in the space provided for comments below. For more incredible tutorials like this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it useful. I sincerely appreciate your time, and until the next time, happy creating and remember me in your prayers. Okay ji, Allah Hafiz.